All right, Shalom. This is a sit down lesson number three as of November the 10th, 2025, on this Monday afternoon. So, with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakal Kadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashma Kadashim tongue, and I say Barak to the elders and apostles, Akim, Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is another sit down lesson, a quick sit down lesson number three, as of November the 10th, 2025, on this Monday afternoon. And the title of the sit down lesson is going to be Luke 21 and verse 11. And this is the Gospel of Luke 21 and verse 11, and it reads to the Holy Scriptures from BibleGateway.com, KJV 1611. It says, "And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven." Right, so in these modern day times that we're living in, that Yahushua spoke about, it's going to be fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. Especially with this Atlas stuff that we've been seeing for the past 3.5 weeks, almost close to a month now. So we've seen these sightings, the chariots of the Heavenly Fathers, like I said, in Psalm 68, verse 17, the chariots of the Heavenly Fathers, like thousands, even 10,000s. That's how powerful Heavenly Father Yahweh is, so he's gonna, that's how powerful Yahweh Shai is, Yahweh Shai and Yahweh is one too. So Yahweh Shai spoke about these signs that he spoke about. There was going to be increasing modern day signs of increasing on an everyday basis as the days progresses on. We're going to be seeing these increasing physical sights and great signs of heaven. Just like it says in Luke 20, verse 25. There shall be signs in the sun and the moon and the stars upon the earth, expressive nations with complexity rich one. And especially we're going to be seeing the signs in the sun and the moon and the stars. So we're seeing these atlas with this these blood moons, solar eclipse. We're seeing the chariots, all these signs that the Heavenly Father showing us. And Yahweh Shai is more too. That Yahweh Shai showing us on an everyday basis, especially in the skies. So that's something that will continue to increase. Just like Ezra spoke about that the Heavenly Father is going to have plain beginning and powerful works in any effects of science. That's in 2 Ezra 9 verse 6, I believe. Yeah, 2 Ezra 9 verse 7. So we're going to be seeing more and more of these plain beginning and powerful works in any effects of science. And these are the signs that Yahweh Shai showing us, these increasing plain beginning and powerful works in any effects of science. And on top of that, we have these modern day famines are increasing around the world on a daily basis. We see the famines are increasing. We see the pestilence are increasing. Because it was that Amos, the prophet Amos, he mentioned in Amos 8 verse 11, it's going to be a famine of the word for like a bread, for like water, what the area of the words that have been out. That's an indicator right now. We see these modern day signs are increasing. And these prophecies that are going to come to pass in the field. So on an everyday basis, before these prophecies and these signs come to pass be fulfilled, we're going to be seeing more and more of these fruitful signs and great signs shall be from heaven. And it says, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, right? So that's what we're seeing, great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. So as of yesterday, you had a total of 30 earthquakes of aftershocks that hit over there in Japan, because Japan got hit with a 6.9 earthquake, because I spoke about that yesterday when I was outside teaching ministries of Yahweh, Yahshua, the highways and hedges. So we're going to be seeing more and more of these uptick of high magnitude of earthquakes in diverse places. And the famines and pestilence, plagues, and fearful sights and great signs shall be heaven, because these are the increasing of the signs of the times that we're living. And this is that's the spirit I just talked about this. This is Luke 21 and verse 25 to verse 27, KJV 1611 of the Holy Scriptures from the Gateway by BibleGateway.com. It says, verse 25. This is Luke 20, verse 25. It says, "There shall be signs in the sun and the moon." Right, as we're seeing the signs in the sun and the moon. With this recent atlas, with this recent blue moon solar eclipse, chariot sightings, these are the signs that Yahweh Shai spoke about in the Gospel of Luke, the 21st chapter. It says, "There shall be signs in the sun and the moon and the stars, and upon the earth the aggressive nations will perplexity rich one." Right, that's happening this world too. Verse 26, it says, "Men hearts failing them for fear and looking for after those things which are coming on the earth, for the powers of heaven should be shaken, right? For the powers of heaven should be shaken by Hamashiach, Yahushua. Luke 17, verse 27. It says, and they say, it says, Luke 21, verse 27, and then shall they see the Son of Man coming in a cloud about his great glory. So with that, I'm going ahead and close it out. This was just a quick sit down lesson of the Gospel of Luke 21, verse 11, right along the precepts to help you along the way. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem, Kakadash, Barakatham to the elders and apostles, while I keep my aqua for the next time. I would say, Kwame Sharala, and above all, Shalom.